Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Let me sit. I want to talk to. Statement amene vapasa vanani vajaki muimbo ndiye amene nabwerera apa. Imwe vantu nabwera ku news digger ati people should vote for UPND so that their problem can continue to reduce. You know, I laughed when I saw that statement. So, by UPND thinks like Zambian people, they are fools, whereby they can be fooled again like the way they were fooled. Esi mwaona wai by UPND siwenzo kuwina ka? Muona? Siyawana kuzani kudara. Ati wenzo luza, banaluza how many times? Banaluza how many times? It was God who was rejecting them, not anybody else. Ivo bewa kambati kwenzeko bantu bamene bezo shitama nkwala kwenze be muntu bezo shitama nkwala lionsi. The truth is God didn't want them to come in power because he knew that people of Zambia, they will suffer. He knew that these people, they are danger to the nation because one, they keep on fooling the Zambian people. No MPF mwenze kuma criminals bezo kugasinga bezo kutabwanji kwenzeli be peace kwenzeli be mtendeli. But they are in power. They failed to arrest those people who was gassing. They failed to arrest those officers who killed their people, who they always mention here. Now they are coming with another story to fool the nation. They are fooling those who are not wise. Those who are wise, they cannot even be deceived. How can you even fool the nation by saying that their problems can be reduced? Which problem is it to reduce? You are increasing and you want to fool the people that you are reducing. What are you reducing? You found the mini meal yenze per 150. Every time tumakushita remind, it's like imwe bantu. It's like imwe bantu. Koneka mwaibara kudara. You found the mini meal. It was at 150 kwacha. Did you reduce it from 150 to 50 kwacha? Nothing. Muna ubweza bunga kuuchosa pa 150 kuleta pa 50 kwacha. You didn't. Did you reduce the fuel from 17 kwacha to 12 kwacha? You didn't. So you think like only those who are not wise who can vote for UPND. This time you don't even have what to say. Kama makampeni mwanumo kapea mzambo na mavichani because barungu at least bebe banasebenza na ma project yabo mwenda mukwenyu namu kwenyu mukwenyu na ma project ya barungu barungu ndrama zabo zioneka kwa meneze zoenda zindrama za government zizibika manje imwe time yanu ifika mufunika muka point vamene munachita ma project yanu ye munaziyambira mweka muka point ngire bantu. Not to my small things, to my small vintu vakuti maybe varungu wanavisiya kudara imo mabwa masililiza. You start questioning. No, we have done this, we have done that. No, Barungu when he was in power. Don't forget that Barungu when he was in power, everything was recorded. Bezonkara na bebe bazede nbisi bezonkara. So vose viliko, vose bebe wanasebenzera Barungu na Zambian people, they are all there. All of them, they are able to see. At only Zubi's. Kani ati Zubi's kapani chadi amina nilembela huyu. Imwe bantu. Sure. You people, you know, the day you are going to have mukambomvera konsoni. Ndiye pamene manje muzakaona kuti kashini veti chita ibisi babuino. Do you have even a courage to come to people of Zambia and say, can you vote for UPND so that your problem can reduce? What they are trying to tell you as Zambian, they are telling you that vote for UPND so that things again can be increased more. They told you. PF, they said they will double the what? The economy. So they will double it. We thank God that Mazambian people apa manje vanachenjera. Even those who keep on telling that, yeah, MPF, they can't believe you. Because the truth is, you failed to arrest my criminals. Well, the people of Zambia voted out PF so that you can arrest those criminals who took good care of the people. Who took advantage, I mean. Who took advantage until the Zupis will vote for you. Oh, now I understand. You know, Imando. Sure, they can even say that vote for UPND so that you can continue seeing your things reducing. Which things are they talking about? They increased everything. When they came in power, they found everything. It was lower. Vija mintomezo funinga abantu MPF bakungo mivutisani bunga 150 us when we come in power we are going to fix it. When we come in power what you appreciate it. When we come in this live video, when we come in power what you appreciate it. What but now anyway I'm on the live. What is it? I'm on the live. I'm on the live video. I'm coming. Ignorant. No, when I come in power, we're going to fix it. Minimum, it will be at 50 kwacha. When they came them from 50 kwacha to 300. Tukakamba kwa uchosa kwa 300, pabuleta pa 288. Apa manje 288 bunga. So manje 288 is that reducing. They reduced something that they increased. It's them who made people of Zambia suffer, and that's the truth, not Varungu. Mune Varungu watuwezunkara buino, bunga was 150 kwacha. At least it's one step or double. But everything that they condemned, to them now it's times 2. Cyber, no, you should not vote for them. They want to abduct people in that cyber. They want to hide into criminality. When they came, who went ahead and said for cyber? Zambian people, so busy. For you, this time you can't. If you showed the people of Zambia, the criminals who took advantage of people of Zambia, maybe people are going to believe you. And if you reduced it, at least even from 150 to 100 kwacha, people are going to believe you because they were going to say that at least muli barungu tuweze kugula bunga bweze wodula. Apa maona kuma radio stations pose uku. Imwamesi mumamvera ma radio, mukazimverera ma radio station. Muzambe bonse bantu wamakondema. Baba makonda kukamba chabe ni ma pressingers. Ma pressingers ero nawo baje ba tribalism. Ndiye bamene bamakondo kamba. Not even no chabe wokwana na 5 cents. A person who is wise with wisdom, you can't be deceived by UPND this time. You cannot. Naseka maningi pena yona ijaposti. Naseka imwapaka kulila ini. Not these people. They failed to arrest Wamagasini. But they keep on talking, hey, they were killing. If they were killing, why are you protecting the criminals? Why protecting the criminals? Why giving immunity to the criminals? Not this time. This time you cannot this campaign PF. No. Is MPF mwatu mungo tifulinga belangu bali busy kungolisa inbox. Hey, Barungu is no more. So you think like who can stand in PF? There is no opposition in Mwana. We have opposition. We have Brian Mundubile, we have Emmanuel Mwamba, we have Given Winda, we have Refio Nakachinda, we have a lot of them. And these are matured people who can take good care of people of Zambia. So if why are they not choosing the president? You want them to choose before we bury? Before to bury choosing banda? We have to wait until we bury. That's when they'll choose. Simunga fooling abantu imo kuti mukambe kuti bafunika ba no, as we are still mourning. So what is the rush when we know that 2026 is coming and God is with us in this battle? So whether we like it or not, God is going to open doors for the PF. But many of my criminals we mungo kamba because criminal wabo kulipe abuona criminal wabo ine ninabwela pano ninauza abantu kuti ba UPND ndiye benzopenda bad picture inside banifake shame ine. They were supposed to shame me by saying Precious, you was a liar, you lied against us, this is why we sent you to prison. But now we want to show you these are the criminals who was gassing innocent Zambians. As long as in Precious we munamanga ine munanipeleka ku jail ino wamene nakuna mizirani. From there you failed to show me the criminals who was gassing innocent Zambians. I, Precious Inonge Mbiaita, I cannot believe every word that you tell the nation. I cannot. As an example, wa promisa muntu chintu. From there, asumu pasa. Uja muntu azaka kuchetekera, azaka kubelieve in everything that you tell the person, you will not believe. That's why bajamantu bali wise. Bama kambiliratu. If you don't have, you say I don't have. If you have, you say I'll give you. I always tell the truth. Kulibe wamina zaka parana na balungu. Balungu once my leaders wamene muri mu UPND. You cannot be like Balungu because Balungu was a wise person. Balungu was a good person who cared about poor. Mama CDF yanu ayo aone wachape na banu chape bane wanakuvoterani ise amesti na kuvotereni ise Balungu siwenzo start because abaswana nivotere because aba siba PF. Balungu used to recognize each and everyone, even by PF, even by UPND, both wanashita benefit mutemu ya Balungu. Ero mutemu ya Balungu mwenzeli benjala at least wantu bezo kuja 2 times hapa wantu wakuja 1 time. In fact, some of us, me, I cannot even lie. Me, I was eating 3 times. 3 times. 3 times. So we don't care. Hey, only those who benefited. Yes, we don't care. Everyone ngati ulina good leader. Good leader wako afunga kufakira konzero. Ngati usupporta party. Like for us, some of us, we are just party members. So when we have problems, we have the right to voice out and also to ask our leaders to help us, which is very much normal. Even in UPND, mulina ma right yopempa tandizo kuma leaders van, because you are the one who put them there. You put them there so that they can help you. You put them there so that they can recognize you. So every good leader, you lead by example. Sunga lekelele muntu wamina kusapotela umulekelela nkale na njala. From there you ufuna kampempe vote futa kakupase vote. No. Muntu ngati uli leader chabe wamina waganiza chabe wamina ali nomo chabe mubongo. Uzazi banoziba ti yes, a person who is supporting me is supposed to eat. Uwomba mwibala, ulia mwibala. Banakuuza nkudala, even Balungu. Balungu, yes, he said it. Uwomba mwibala, ulia mwibala, which is true. When you support a party, you're supposed to be recognized. So if you are not recognized, that's why mwana bena kusoma maenda kuvota. Because wakaona ise oroti bavote wajasi wazatu chita vilivonzi, wazashita benefit ni benangu. But if you're a wise person, you recognize those people who voted for you. Even those who did not vote for you, you shame them so that next time they will regret. The reason why bantu bamastati oro wamene sana kuvoteni umusapota ni kufaka shame pali uja muntu so that amvele kuipa hivi amvele soni eka aona kashi ine aba sinafune kubavotera kashi na abantu bali bwino ndiye mwe bamachitira. That's why mwana ti Balungu kundundu mwezi kuja kwa mene wanapeza 200 votes. Balungu wanapeleka kwa development. Do you know the reason why? Because he used the one Zambia, one nation. He was not a tribalism. He was not choose who to help or who not to help. Some of us, we cannot even lie to say that in Ambesha pretender, but hey, Balungu ine. So I'm not a selfish person. I have to be honest. The truth is, Balungu or without Balungu, bantu babo bezonista recognize. Every time ngati nankala na problem ine nikatuma chabe kuja ku State House, they used to recognize me. Olo Balungu siwaliko bali kutali uko nizatuma phone bantu babo bamene baja bamene basebenza nabo, they used to recognize me. Why? Because they know that the president used to know me. And ba president bezoniziba na nyimbo yanga bezoiziba bonse mu state house yamene naimbira barungu bezoiziba because nina bapempa barungu kuti ba fighting corruption. I know the reason why I asked him to fight corruption, because I saw that most of the people, they take advantage of the poor, and every time when corruption is being involved, the people who suffer most are the poor. So imwe munana mabantu kuti muzabachosa poverty from bunga wabene bezogura 150 imo muzabuchosa pa 150 muzabuleta pa 50 kwacha. But did you do that? Nothing. You increased it from 150 mwabupeleka paka 400 kwacha. From there mwashtari juicy vintu vya mafakira, then you want to fool the nation at no so that things can be reduced, which you have not reduced anything. You reduced something that you increased. And even Yamene 288, it's a panic, it's a torture for the people of Zambia, because people of Zambia voted out Barungu. They didn't want to buy minimum at 150 kwacha. Get that, Simwebantu. Please use your wisdom. Hey, why Mungo say wanyaso? Why must it stay in balance? Did the people of Zambia voted for you to sell fuel at 28 kwacha? In fact, fuel it was at 35. Imwe mabwela mpower. Thank you very much. Thank you. Imwe mabwela mpower. Mwapeza fuel ili pa 17 kwacha. Imwe mwaitosa pa 17 kwacha mwaikwezeka paka 35 kwacha. From there, mwashtari juicy mwaileta pa 28. At no, we are going to be reducing what? People of Zambia voted for you to sell fuel at 12 kwacha. As long as you failed to bring fuel at 12 kwacha, as long as you failed to bring minimum at 50 kwacha, as long as you failed to reduce the economy, you cannot fool the people of Zambia. Zambia is not for you, PNG. Zambia is for everyone. So leave other people to come in power and take good care of the people. You have failed, and this is the time we should just admit it. This time you can't even pretend to say that, hey, but PF, they were criminal. Why did you fail to arrest them? Why did you fail to arrest the criminals? When me who just said that you people are the one who was guessing just to paint a bad picture in PF, you sent me to prison. But I did not kill. I did not murder anyone. I did not steal. I was not a thief. But what did you do? You sent me to prison for defaming of the president, because I accused the president, right? So now it was my time to see you now arresting all those criminals who took advantage of the people of Zambia. So please, 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 don't even try it to deceive the people of Zambia. Talk something else, not now to fool the people of Zambia. Please, to papa. Bye-bye.